Alright, cool, I'm ready.
Hi friends, Mom, tell them where we're at.
We are driving in Colorado.
Tell the people on YouTube hi.
Hi people of YouTube, between Vail and Denver.
Yeah! Adventures continue, the travels continue. I have something to talk about today. I want to talk about intention versus action. But first we gotta get to where we're going, so I'll see you guys in a second. Also, real fast, thank you to everybody in the No Small Creator Movement. It'd be kind of funny if I interrupted the interruption with another interruption. Alright, well, I did it. Enjoy the B-roll sequence, bye.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down in the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
That felt like it took forever. How long were we delayed?
Because it did take forever.
How long were we delayed?
45 minutes.
45. It was crazy, but we're done. We just had to go back home, and I can talk to you guys. Whew! I'm finally back from all that traveling, so now I can actually talk to you guys about what I want this video to be about this week. So I talked about it a little bit in the car. This week's video is about intention versus action. I got here because when I started saying I'm making videos again once a week, people kept coming up to me and messaging me and asking me in person, why is this time gonna be different? Which is totally fair. I have kind of hosed you guys in the past. I said I'm gonna do this a lot, and I haven't. So what makes this time different? That's the question I've been trying to answer. What does make this time different? And I think it boils down to intention versus action. So if you'll bear with me for a second as I go on this philosophical rant, I think that the difference between these two words kind of represents the difference between what I'm doing now and what I did in the past. So let's look at intention versus action. So intention in and of itself isn't bad. It's actually pretty good. It's why when you ask a dad if you can date his daughter, he asks you, what are your intentions? It's important. And for a lot of my life, I thought intention was the most important thing. I intend to get a degree. I intend to keep making videos once a week. I intend to make films. Those things add up to me. At least they did in my youth, because I thought, well, if I'm intending to do them, then everybody will see that I have the good intentions, so the stuff will follow. Here's the thing. As good as intention can be, it's a huge trap. And it's a huge trap because intention is easy. It's so easy to say, I intend to do this. I intend to do that. I've done it 4 times this year. I intend to make videos. It's so easy to fall into the trap of saying, I want to do something big, and get patted on the back for it and stay there forever. It's harder to say, I want to do something big, and then to follow through on it. And that, to me, is the difference between now and then. Action. When I was in college, action was kind of everything. Our film program was laid out in a way that we had to act every day, constantly. We were overwhelmed with work so that way we could get used to the idea of working hard constantly to get tight deadlines done. But somehow along the way, I kind of got lost with the whole intention. My intentions got really big when I was in film school. I wanted to do these big one-take music videos, these big films, these big things. And I never really thought about acting on those. I just wanted to put my ideas out there. This is something I think a lot of creatives struggle with. Your intentions can be huge, but without action, your intentions are nothing. That's the thing. Action is hard, and because it's hard, not many people do it. I think a really good case study of this is Jack Coin. This guy blew up overnight when he started posting on YouTube because he was posting every day, editing every day, and making a video every day. He was acting. He wasn't just intending to be on YouTube. He wasn't just intending to have a channel. He was making stuff. You see, as creators, I think we get so caught up in the idea of making our channel perfect, of making everything this amazing, insane, wonderful experience that we get lost in the intention and we stop acting. We stop trying to get stuff done. It's why No Small Creator Movement exists. Cody Wanner is somebody that acts every day. He makes steps towards that goal. He doesn't just shout his intentions out into the wind and hope that they come true. That guy goes. And as I get older and I start to learn more about life, I start to understand how much I don't act and how much I want to. So here's the moral of this whole rant. Action is important. Intention also important. But intention is nothing without action. They're two equal forces linked together. It's why when I was traveling this entire week, I had my camera out. It's why I'm staying up late to edit this video that you're watching. It's why I'm so driven to finish this stuff, because I have lived in the land of intention for so long, and I do not want to be there anymore. I am acting towards getting out. Thanks for coming along with me on that rant. I appreciate it. You guys are the best. I really appreciate everybody leaving comments below. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I'm trying to get you some grade A stuff, but I'm also trying to act. If you haven't already and you like the videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you don't like the videos, don't subscribe, because this is kind of what I do. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.